here, all these things, you know, are gonna make the person go down. Okay, I break the arm, turn it, I come this way. Now, the reason why I grab it this way, because watch, now if I do that sharp angle, I spider around, watch how it goes, but then it doesn't break the skin because it comes up. As soon as I put my thumb on top of it, okay, now it becomes like a real knife. But a lot of times, I would just be jogging. Choke's a pretty dangerous thing, pretty scary. And now when I'm in a choke from right here, maybe from right here I can throw the ball forward. It's a lot easier when it's like this. When she starts dragging me back, okay, I have to come from here. Now I take her momentum and I automatically just go with it, take my right leg, because she choked me right side, and I turn. And I turn. And now from right here, I step to this foot right here, and I lean like I'm taking the bow, but I go all the way down to the ground. Okay, from right here, down. Okay, and now from right here, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that punch that we did today. Okay, just gonna come all the way around, and I go underneath his arm this way. Okay, and I wrench it just like this. And from right here, those little spare fingers, I come down with a rich hand. Remember that open hand throw? Remember I said before, you know, girls you do this, or you do an open hand. You're like, oh, yeah, the open hand. Here it is, open hand. Because this doesn't work, it's a different angle. But this works very well. See, it works very well. You know what works even better? After I straighten from right over here, I go up, over, take a fall. I go up, over, and take it right to the ground. Okay? That was a husband that's been beating me up, you know what, for, since the day.